Zanendlebe ngize nendaba. Allegedly wengane zakwethu. Ake nginibuze nje ukuthi niyabona yini ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi sihlukene phakathi. Khona ababonayo, khona nabalele. Ake ngibuze la ukuthi niyabona yini kwenzakalani. Bengibuka lento yale National Dialogue kaBaba Wenkomo. Leya nto leyana leya nto leya izama ukusikhipha ekutheni sibone ukuthi kwenzakalani eMzansi. Ubaba Wenkomo bafethu ngihlala ngisho lento le noma ningangithuka nginendaba. Ubaba Wenkomo is a mafia. There is this guy ohlale commenta lama ngikhuluma ucabanga ukuthi siyajuka kanti asijuki. Bathi China M. Your president is a mafia. And he's making sure ukuthi he's protecting his gang of criminals. During the 9 wasted years, sasitshelwe izinto eziningi ngo-President Zuma. But it seems as if ubugebengu bangempela khani benzeka manje eSouth Africa. And this thing is bothering SANDF, is bothering the police. What you see, the pattern that you see happening with the police and the military is not a mistake and is not out of hate, but it's because of something that is imminent, that is going to take place. So if the military and the police, they come to the public and they blame the politicians, that the politicians are doing something wrong in this country, and the politicians are collapsing the military, and they are doing the same with those who are protecting the citizens of this country. What will follow there is something that you don't want to see happening in South Africa. We are going to have what we are not anticipating to have in South Africa. But in this case, I can tell you that it's inevitable. You are going to see it happening in this country. The likes of Abo Julius Malema and the others were complaining about Burkina Faso, complaining about what is happening in Mali, Niger, and all these countries. But they know what is happening in this government. And the police and the military, as the people who are protecting the citizens of this country, they are going to take over because of your president, who is protecting the criminals, who is a mafia. He's a mafia leader, that president. And some of us have been saying this for the longest period. But we get to be insulted and called names when we say so. But I tell you now, I may be wrong, but I don't think those that I've mentioned above, the police and the military, that are also wrong. I may be wrong in your face or in your eyes, but the military and the police, they are going to do something that you never thought will happen in this country because of your mafia president. The current government, both the 6th and the 7th administration, they are making sure that they are destroying this country. And they are making sure that you, the needy, you become more poorer. And this thing, if it continues, things are going to be bad in this country. So I'm telling you today, that is not by mistake that you see the military and the police telling you what they are telling you right now. Now we are getting into a point whereby we are going to see some drastic changes happening in this country. And it's not going to be nice. When those changes happen in this country, there might be war. And you need to be ready for that, because we've been preaching this thing for the longest period. The people that are trying to open your eyes, we always insult them, we call them names. And the people that are oppressed by the system for standing with you, you support the system that oppresses the people that stand with you, the people that want you to be freed. You support that system. And that system is going to be crushed by the military and the police. So this thing that they are doing, they call it a national dialogue. They are trying to sway you away from the real problems that are facing this country. I hope you remember this message when it starts happening. Because we think we are playing, we're not playing. These are our lives, these are the futures of our kids. That's why we come here and make this noise that annoys you. And we think that we are protecting somebody. We are not that naive. We are not idiots. But we can see what is happening and we can see what is going to happen.